Hello and welcome to the Math 7 Honors Curriculum Night slideshow. Speaking with you today, it's going to be Miss Kelly on the far left, Miss Barefoot in the middle, and myself, Mr. Loudon, on the far right.
Hello, this is Mrs. Barefoot, and I'm going to talk to you about the Math 7 Honors units. The curriculum that we use is Open Up. It is a blend of 7th and 8th grade standards to prepare students for Math 1 next year. The students also have the option to go into Math 8 Honors should Math 1 not be the correct placement for them. The first unit and the one we are currently working on is Circles and Angles. Unit 1.5 is Rational Numbers. Unit 2 is Rigid Transformations and Congruence. Unit 3, Dilation, Similarity, and Introducing Slope. Unit 3.5 is Consonant Proportionality. We'll continue with linear relationships, expressions and equations, function and volume, exponents and scientific notation, Pythagorean theorem, and irrational numbers. And our last unit before the EOG is probability and sampling.
Hello, this is Mrs. Kelly. We work on IXL. It's a program we use in math and ELA. But in 7th grade, we will use it in many different ways. The main way will be to review concepts that have been taught in class. This software gives us data on what we need to reteach. Your student should know their login for IXL and be able to get on. They can also work on the skills at home using this tool if they need more practice on a math concept. This is how their screen should look, and they would just enter their username and password. We also use Canvas as a platform. It's our main form of instruction and how we deliver content. Please have your Broncos show you the tutorials at the bottom of their Canvas page. If you would like, you can be an observer on their page and keep up with what they are doing.
As it goes for homework most days is just unfinished classwork or a weekly homework, and that's usually in Delta Math. Each student should have access to the Delta Math, and if for some reason they don't, you can just contact your child's teacher. Grades, please look at grades in PowerSchool. Sometimes you'll see a grade in Canvas, but just know that some assignments will be graded automatically by Canvas. They will not be going into PowerSchool, so just make sure that you hold PowerSchool above all else, and that's most important for your Broncos progress. If you have any information, questions, or concerns, you can look at the screen. You'll see my contact information with my email address. You'll see Miss Kelly's and Miss Barefoot's as well. Thank you for your time. Have a good night.